Hey guys, it's Emmanuel with Gadget Hacks. What if I told you your next favorite pair of earbuds might cost less than $100? Well, in this video, I'm ranking the best budget earbuds that you can buy without paying premium prices. Starting off the list at number 5 is the Nothing Ear A, priced at $79. These earbuds come with deep bass and clear sound, along with smart active noise cancellation that adjusts automatically for the best fit and isolation. You get up to 42.5 hours of battery life with 10 hours of playback from just a 10-minute charge. Call quality is pretty good with improved voice isolation and wind reduction. Bonus features include dual device pairing, low latency game mode, and adaptive audio noise cancellation that adjusts to your environment in real time. Coming in at number 4 is the Anker Liberty 4NC for $70. These earbuds feature adaptive noise cancellation that cuts up to 98.5% of background noise, adjusting in real time to your ears and surroundings. Battery life is pretty decent with up to 10 hours of playback, 50 hours with the case, and 8 hours with audio noise cancellation turned on. You also get multi-point Bluetooth pairing, customizable EQ with Hear ID sound profiling, and an IPX4 water resistant rating for everyday durability. At number 3, at just $60, is the EarFun Air Pro 4. These earbuds come with adaptive hybrid noise cancellation and adjust to your ear shape for optimal isolation. They're powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon sound platform, supporting aptX, lossless, LDAC, and high-res audio for clarity and detail across all frequencies. With 6 mics and AI-powered noise reduction, call quality stays clear in any environment. Battery life is strong too, with up to 11 hours on a single charge, 52 hours with the case, plus a quick 10-minute charge gives you 2 hours of playback. You also get Bluetooth 5.4, multi-device pairing, and customizable sound through the EarFun app. At number 2, we've got the CMF Buds Pro 2 by Nothing, priced at $59. These earbuds feature hybrid active noise cancellation, blocking out everything across a wide frequency range. They're high-res audio wireless certified with LDAC support, delivering ultra-clear audio for rich, detailed playback. For bass lovers, the Ultra Bass Technology 2.0 boosts low frequencies in real time, with 5 adjustable levels in the Nothing X app. It also comes with adaptive audio noise cancellation, which adjusts to noise leakage and your environment for strong isolation. Battery life is pretty good, with 10 hours per charge and up to 43 hours with the case. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is the Anker Space A40 at just $45. These earbuds offer noise cancellation that reduces up to 98% of background noise, automatically adjusting to your surroundings whether you're indoors, on a commute, or in a flight. It delivers well-balanced sound with rich bass and clear highs, with LDAC support unlocking high-res audio for even more detail. When it comes to battery life, you get 10 hours on a single charge, 50 hours with the case, and a quick 10-minute charge gives you 4 hours of playback. Lightweight and compact, the A40 is designed for all-day comfort without sacrificing performance. And that wraps up our list of the best budget earbuds under $100. You can find the links to all the earbuds featured in the description below. If you're into tech that makes your life easier, check out our other videos where we break down the best apps, devices, and software tips to help you get the most out of your gadgets. Till next time, thanks for watching Gadget Hacks.